Founded in 1998, Shenzhen Weilong Technology Company Limited is a high-tech company integrating research and development, production, and sales. Since its inception, the company has always taken research and development as the first productive forces. Adhering to the continuous innovation, technological development corporate values, is committed to providing customers with plastic molds, electronic circuits, machine development and production services, especially in the field of wireless data transmission for many years, research and development of their own unique product form. Innovation is the source of industrial development. The company has a strong research and development team which constantly innovates the product performance, production process, and core technology. The company has obtained a number of technology and appearance patents. It has passed the international certifications such as FCC, CE, RoHS, TELIC, SRRC, HDMI, etc. The products sell well both all over the world and have won the trust and support of consumers. Weilong Technology continuously enriches products and vigorously promotes brand strategy. There were 4 brands: Vrriis, Box, Chofio, and Quackwolf, and launched a series of through-the-wall wireless transmission products such as 009, 090, 091, 900S, 080, 095, 096, 098, etc. Widely used in various fields such as office meetings, home entertainment, film and television shooting, live events, news interviews, and so on. Innovation never ends, and technology leads to the future. Weilong Technology, adhering to the customer-oriented, quality-first, people-oriented, sustainable development business philosophy, continuous innovation, development of more high-quality products to serve our customers.